Hello, Carter here. Let's cover variables in 2 minutes or less. Here we have a local variable, defined by the local keyword you see. Here we have a global variable, defined by the lack of local keyword. Variable names/identifiers can be anything other than LuaU's reserved words, which consist of the following: and, break, do, else, if, end, false, for, function, if, in, local, nil, not, or, repeat, return, then, true, until, while, and, yes. LuaU is case sensitive, meaning uppercase L and lowercase l are completely different variables. Local variables can only be used within their scope and are accessed quicker, whereas global variables are accessed slower, although they can be used anywhere. Here's a quick visual and verbal explanation regarding scopes. Variable 1 can be used within room 1. However, the local variable declared within room 1 cannot be used outside of room 1. Think of scopes as rooms, and your script as the whole building. _G is another form of global variable that can be used to share variables across buildings/scripts and can be used like this. Imagine the print statement is in a separate script of the same context. Now let's get into the good stuff. Here are 5 variables: uninitialized, a string, a number, a boolean, and nil. Uninitialized is simply nil, which I'll explain in a second. A string is a value meant to represent text and/or numbers in certain cases. This value is always enclosed and/or surrounded within single, double, or back quotes. A number, straightforward, can be either a float or integer, as LuaU doesn't differentiate them type-wise. A boolean can be true or false. Next. Nil is nothing. Roll credits.